You want to learn how to verify your identity on Google AdSense. In this video, I'll help solve that problem. So first, head over to that page where you're seeing this. You will see your payments are on hold. You need to verify your identity to receive payments or ads will stop showing by this date. So now in here, you'll find this Take Action button. Click on it. It's going to take you over to this payments info page. And then here you will have this whole page with this banner and verify now. It says provide some info about yourself to continue. But if you do not see this page, you might have an ad blocker that you need to disable. And then you can refresh this page to get this loading icon again. And then you will have this payments page back. Now click on verify now. And it's going to give you this pop-up which says what you'll need for verification. These are the IDs that you need for verification, either a driving license, passport, PAN card, or voter ID card. This is if you are in India. If you're watching from somewhere else, it will ask you for different documents. Like here, I have two of these windows open. One of them is for United States. You can just write in your country here in the Google and ask it AdSense identity verification required. And the AI, which is the Google Gemini of Google, is going to give you this information. It says ID card and other documents, the telephone bill, rent receipt and such. Now, once you're here, click on Start Verification. Here you need to enter your, click on Select ID and you can choose passport. I'm going to enter my legal name. And then in the Upload Photo page, you need to enter your clear image of your passport, the front page where the name is visible. Now, once you have entered, click on Next. And then here you need to enter your street address. Make sure to enter this right the first time. After this, YouTube will send you an address verification as well, where they will send you a PIN to your address. Now click on Submit and it's going to give you this loading icon again. And then it will give you this pop-up which says verification successful. Congrats, you have verified your account. Now click on Next and it's going to give you this page with no red banner here, but you will still see that the action required banner on the top is there. But here you can see that the identity verification is completed. Don't worry about this. It's going to be removed after a while. And this is how you can verify your identity on Google AdSense. Did this video help solve your problem? Let me know with a like and comment.